Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a weekly market update for the week of March 21st, 2021. Last week, market was going up for a couple of days with the Fed will continue to support the market to recovery. But on Thursday, it will pull back down correction again with the fear of 10-year Treasury note. It's going high at the week and that caused the interest rate to increase and the technology stock have a struggle to move up to the upside. The retail and the industrial production all showed up on last week. People are still waiting for the check to send out to get it going again. Now let's take a look on the major index so that we can see what they are doing, so that we can see the future, how it will look like for the financial market. First of all, let's take a look on the chart that people talking about the 10-year Treasury note. Okay, so this one here, as you can see here, since October, they keep going up, and right now it's very high. So this one here, they can call inflation, and then the people fear that the interest rate will high again, and then they can hit to the a lot of technology stock on the profit earning, and it's hard for them to borrow the money with the high interest rate. So that's why people start worried. But right now, if you look at the chart here on the 10-year Treasury note, they hit to the sell zone here. So this one here, if they can hold up, this guy to move up, then definitely they be able to pull back down. And then why the other, you look at the chart below that the QQQ, which is the technology stock, have a struggle to going up when this one is going higher. So right now, this one they pull back down, so they try to pull it back up. So as long as this one here, they come down a little bit, and then the technology stock to be able to put it back up to the upside again. And now let's take a look on the lot of stock here, like SP 500. Let's see how they are doing. So if you look at the chart here, so the market it have been run up for like about 10 days until the day that the Fed they announced the meeting. They will continue to support the market, and then the next day they put it all-time high. They slam again, not because what he's saying, not because what people worry, but you look at the chart here. Every time they pull up and then they pull back down. Every time they pull up, they pull back down. So this is the pattern that the market has been doing in the past. As long as we continue to have it high, low, the trend is still up, and people will looking for opportunity to buy back when it hit to the support and then shoot it back up again. So as long as they can do that, we will stick with the uptrend and looking for the opportunity. Even though we're in the all-time high, so the risk is very high, but as long as the market is still continue to hold up, they will continue to push it back up until they take this low or this low, and then that's what we see the market will have a bigger correction. Now, if you look at the Dow is also very strong, as you can see here, but the last Thursday and Friday they pull back. So right now they're looking for some support here also. The Russell 2000 it also pulled back down for the last week after they run up too far here. So they pull back down. So now they have a support here. If they can hold up, and then they will continue to push it back up. But we have to be cautious because the market is all-time high. So that's why you see a lot of small cap stock. They have a trouble to go up also. The next one is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, as you can see here, they have been slammed down very high here. But now they try to put it back up, but they hit to the resistance. So now they pull back down. So as long as they can hold up here, next week if they give it a good positive candle here, the market will be able to come back if they break out this level here, and then we will have a more in the upside. Right now, if they can break this level here and this one, they can form a invert head and shoulder pattern here, and then the Nasdaq will be able to continue to the upside. So let's see how they lay out. It's very important level for them to hold up above this level here. And look at the gold. Gold it also tried to break out, as you can see here, because they have been penetrate on this downtrend line here. So now we'll be able to find some support at this level, and look like they try to build momentum to break out this level. If they be able to break out this level, so the goal is start changing direction to the upside, and then we're looking for short-term direction up to 1800 level up here. And also look at the oil. Oil after the run up here too fast, and with a lot of news, you can see that they said that they will go up to 70, 80 bucks very quickly. So a lot of people, they jump in, they think that where they're heading to. So the big boy, they slam it down on that, and then they put it back down. So a lot of people getting scared, they get out for a lot, and now they found a support, and if they can hold up here, they will bow it back up again. And the another one is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still continue to the upside. So right now they try to build more momentum to hit to 62,000 level shortly here. And if you look in the S&P 500, two sectors that really hold on very well, that the and have the market stabilize, that the XLC with the communication service sector, and then they still hold up very strong. And another one is the healthcare is also doing well. So this one here, after they drop here, they have a support, they bow back up. Now they do try to go sideways here to find a way to break out again. And a couple of sectors, like you see that the financial sector is still pretty strong. They wait for the money to come out, and this one, if they be able to stabilize, and then they be able to push it back up again, okay? And the energy sector is coming down, as you can see that at the oil going down. So this one is trying to find some support here, and if they can hold up, they can bow again. Okay, and another one is that you can see that the bio sector tried to rebound from the support, and now they hold up here. If they can break out here, they can continue to put to the upside also. Some stock that I analyzed last week for you are still doing very well, like those stock from the Dow component, as you can see here, like Home Depot. Okay, this stock here is break out from a long-term resistance here, and then they continue to the upside. And MCD, okay, like McDonald's, it's also another breakout. It run up very fast to the upside. If you watch the YouTube, you can see that the momentum when they break out the level of resistance here, they will continue to push it strong to the upside. And a couple of stocks still very strong. The Dow component, another breakout, but they people take some profit, so they are go sideways right now. And another one is UNS. This is another United Healthcare. Also, they try to build momentum to break out at multi level of resistance here. So if they can do that, it will be very strong. And the Dow Transportation is still doing very well. As you can see, there's some stock that still very strong, like FedEx. Okay, after they pull back down, now they find a way to put it back up again. And a lot of stock like airline and travel stock that we have been following for the last couple of months is still doing very well. And you can see that like American Airlines, they still hold tight here. Even the market it goes choppy, but they are still, the buyer still hold strong there to this level. And UAL, United Airlines, it also pretty strong, as you can see here. Okay, and a lot of companies that related to travel, TripAdvisor, still hang tight to the upside. Okay, and car rental, those stocks still hold up very high here, as well as the Hilton Hotel and the hospitality is still doing well. And those stocks still try to hold up with the market recovery, and the people more travel, so they need more demand. So this one is still doing very well. And and then this week I will analyze some stock in the Dow Jones reversal. They are on the move, so stay tuned for a few minutes. I will go to analyze those stocks, and then I will show you on the chart later. So as you know, if you have been following me on my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction so my members can make some extra daily income 5 days a week and analyze many stocks for swing trade so that we can stay on the trade longer and make a bigger profit potential. I will continue to update during the middle of the week, so make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so I can notify you on the new update. So right now, every week I try to do it on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, so that 3 times a week, so that you make sure that you subscribe so that I can notify you, because every YouTube I try to looking for some opportunity to bring it up so that hopefully that we can analyze and make money together. I hope that you will enjoy my analysis every week, and please help me to expand my YouTube channel by clicking a thumb up like button below, or any suggestion to make it better, please let me know on the comment below so that I can update it for you. As you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading involves with significant knowledge of the market. Successful traders, they require much more than a good strategy. It requires discipline, patience, daily guiding, and a lot of experience from practice. People losing money because they are listening to the news, email, or their friend for tips. Most of the time they buy at the top and sell at the bottom because the price reaches the technical psychology level. That institution, they will take the profit, which is a lot of traders they don't know. Now the price is going down to the psychology level of support. The amateur trader, they're panicking and sell it for loss. This is where big boy on the Wall Street, they will buy them back for a good discount price. That's why at Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis, and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can buy with a high probability of winning and a low risk trade. You need to learn how to read and analyze the chart before you start buying any stock so that you can manage your own financial future. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so that we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how the price action in real time every day in our live trading room so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. As you know that everyone is busy working, I don't focus too much on the fundamental to waste your time. Fundamental is good, but technical is bad. The stock is still going down. I like to jump in technical analysis and analyze the chart and go very quickly. Every week I will look at some sector with doing well and pick some strong stock in that sector so I can analyze on the chart so that you can see how they are doing during the week. This week I will analyze 5 stocks that in the Dow trend reversal so that we can swing trade back to the upside and looking for some quick money into the upside. First of all, the stock that I'm going to look at that is called a QS, that's the quantum scale. This stock is with a new battery and a new technology. They last longer and they can charge faster. So this stock at the same of the market, they have been coming down, but the last couple of weeks they put it back up. They hold very tight here. So it means that there's a lot of accumulation right here. So if the market is turned around on the Nasdaq, those stocks they be able to, the first one will move to the upside. And the next one is the PINS. Okay, so this one here is also another stock. They slammed down since beginning of February. They hold up here, so now they try to find a support. And then if they be able to get back up here, they will continue to put it to the upside if the Nasdaq try to turn around there. Another one is the bio sector, the healthcare. This stock is also they put it back down right into the support. They bow back up. Now the momentum is getting stronger. They be able to hold up all the moving average here. If they can, if the market put it back up, the bio sector, the healthcare sector doing well, this one they still have room to put it to the upside. The next one is CRWD, which is another technology stock that they try to hold up here. and if the market is around this one, it can find a way to break it out trend line here, and then will continue to the upside. And the last one here is the consumer product, the Costco. The Costco have been slammed out in 390, almost $500. Now they dropped it to a very low level here. So it seems like they find some support here, and they'll be able to hold up. They come back, they retest the support, and then if they can hold up here, the momentum pick it up, and we're looking for the rebound to the upside shortly. Okay, so beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to my Wall Street Premium Wallet, where I handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week, not in the one I show you here. And I will analyze them in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. Again, thank you for watching, and good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week, and take care, everyone.